Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to IFAS. IFAS is India's number one chemistry learning platform. And I am very happy to announce that we are now launching a very special course for students who are appearing for the RPSC Grade 1 and Grade 2 teacher post. Okay, so let's have a look at these two different posts. But before we go ahead, uh, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. There is a very nice red colored button here which says subscribe. Just please press that subscribe button. The advantage is that all such notifications, all such news regarding the RPSC, we are going to give you on this channel. If you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon next to it, you will be notified of these videos immediately after we upload them, and you will not miss even a single update for RPSC. Okay, so let's have a look at what course we are launching. What is RPSC Grade 1, Grade 2 school lecturer post? What is the syllabus? When will the exam be conducted? And so on and so forth. Okay, so let's look at how to get information about this course first of all. Okay, so if you go to our website is ifasonline.com. Okay, if you type ifasonline.com, you will be directed to this website. And the first thing, the moment you open this website, you will immediately see the results of our hard work. Okay, so you can see all our toppers who have secured excellent ranks, the topmost ranks in various entrance exams. Okay, now if you want to look at RPSC grade 1, grade 2 courses, just scroll down a little and you will see the RPSC course on the right hand side here. Okay, I think it is hiding behind me right now. Okay, here is the RPSC course. Okay, here is the RPSC course. Okay, so I hope all of you can see this course. Okay, the yellow colored one. If you click on RPSC, you will see two different exams here. There is one RPSC grade 1 school lecturer, and there is another RPSC grade 2 school teacher. Okay, so now the difference is that RPSC grade 1 school lecturer exams are conducted for biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics and English. These are separate subjects, whereas RPSC grade 2 school teacher, that is for a science teacher overall. So that has a syllabus of physics, chemistry and biology all taken together. All right, and there is an RPSC maths, that's a separate course for a school teacher. So there is a science school teacher, there is a math school teacher and there is an English school teacher. Whereas in grade 1 you will see the science streams divided into three different parts, which are biology, chemistry and physics. Okay, now let's go to RPSC chemistry. Let's look at all of these three courses. So if you click on RPSC, you will be directed to this part, which is RPSC school teacher grade 1. Okay, and it says live course here. That's because this entire course will be taught to you live by India's best chemistry faculty. Right, so this is the RPSC grade 1 chemistry course. The batch starts on 8th of November 2021. Okay, the batch starts on 8th of November 2021. Okay, and to tell you something about the course, this course has features of live classes. Okay, all classes will be conducted live on our IFAS app. If you open the app, there is a section for live classes. You open it, it will start it will start a session which looks very similar to all the different video conferencing apps that you are familiar with. All right, and there you can chat with your teacher, you can raise your hand, you can ask a question to the teacher directly by speaking into the mic, and it's as if you are attending a class right in a classroom in the format that you are most comfortable with. So there will be no difference between your classroom format and this live class. Teacher is actually directly talking to you. You can ask difficulties, you can even raise a hand. Okay, it's a virtual hand, obviously, it's not your actual hand. Right, so all of these live classes will be happening and we will be recording all of these live classes. When we record these live classes, these recorded lectures will be uploaded to your IFAS app, to your IFAS account, and you can watch them any number of times in case you have any difficulties or in case you want to revise whatever had happened in a particular class. Okay, so that's the biggest advantage of any live course or any online course, that whatever classes you attend live, you can always watch a recorded session. You can't do that in a classroom batch. Okay. Then after that, we will also provide you daily practice problems so that you can practice whatever you have learned in the class. We will also provide you previous year questions and their discussions. Okay. We will also provide teacher handouts. What do you mean by teacher handouts? When a teacher is taking a class, they write things, they make notes. Those notes are compiled into a PDF, and that PDF is made available to you inside the app. All right. So whenever you want, you can always just open the PDF. You don't have to watch the entire lecture either for a small point that you had missed. Just open the PDF in the app and scroll to the right place, and you know what you have missed. Immediately your doubt is solved there. Okay. In addition to that, there is a regular test series. This test series will be in the RPSC actual exam pattern. Okay. It will have questions at the same difficulty level, and it will give you complete practice of these RPSC entrance exams. Okay. So this is a 4-month duration course. All right. And the fees for this course are 11,000 only. Okay. And if you want to make a payment for this course, all you have to do is click on this 4 months and go to this login to payment option, and it will direct you to this particular page. All right. If you open this page, if you already have an ID with IFS, if you have a username with IFS, you can enter that and log in. If you don't, there is a register button at the top. Okay. If you click on that register button, you will be directed to the IFS registration link. So fill up all the information. The most important part is, if you look at the course, select RPSC chemistry. Okay, select RPSC chemistry course, and in this course, grade 1 school teacher, you can actually enroll. Okay, and if you are looking for RPSC science, okay, RPSC science, which is a grade 2 level, grade 2 school teacher post, then select this particular. Okay, so I'll repeat again. If you are looking for RPSC chemistry grade 1 school teacher, then go to this. Okay, if you are looking for RPSC science grade 2 school teacher, go to this. Okay, so after you click select the right course, after you enter all of this information, just click on register here, and you will a username will be generated for you. You can use that username back here and log in. Okay, now let's go back to our RPSC. I'll repeat everything again, how to find this information. Just scroll down, you will see an RPSC button here. Click on RPSC. If you scroll down, you will see two different exams. There's an RPSC grade 1 school teacher exam for chemistry students, and there is an RPSC grade 2 school teacher exam for science. Okay, so let's go to RPSC chemistry. I'll also talk about grade 2. Okay, so this was the RPSC grade 2 exam. Everything that you want regarding the RPSC grade 2 exam or grade 1 exam, you can find it in the column on the left. Okay, if you look at this column on the left hand side, click on this, you will get details of what is the grade 1 exam, the exam pattern, the complete syllabus is there. Okay, and the dates have not been declared yet, but the moment they are declared, you will know them here. But before that, if you have already subscribed to our channel, you will already know if the date is declared. All right, because you will get update, the detailed analysis, cut off previous papers, all of them. So if you look at this, the previous papers are available here. Okay, and the same thing with grade 2. So grade 2 exam pattern, grade 2 syllabus is all here. Okay, and you will also have previous exam papers for grade 2 exam. Right, so all these papers, all this information is available right here. Okay, and then if you go back to these online classes, second, I directed back to this. Okay, now this was all about RPSC school teacher grade 1 classes. Now right next to this, there is a school teacher grade 2 live batch. Okay, there's a school teacher grade 2 live batch. You click on this, all information about grade 2 is available here. Okay, and again, the features of this course, the course starts on 8th of November, the day after Diwali, right? And you will have live classes, you will have recorded classes, daily practice problems, previous year questions, teacher handout, test series, and the RPSC Science Grade 2 will cover physics as well as chemistry as well as biology. The entire syllabus will be covered. So if you look at the Grade 2 complete syllabus, the syllabus includes, so here you can see paper 1, which is the chemistry paper. Okay, then you will, okay, hang on, I think I opened the Grade 2 syllabus. All right, so paper 1, the entire syllabus you can see here. Paper 1 for this is part 1, history of Rajasthan and Indian history. Part 2 is mental ability test. Part 3 is current affairs. Part 4 is general science. Part 5 is educational management. Okay, this entire syllabus will be taught to you. And in grade 1, okay, when we are talking about the grade 1 exam, it is related to only chemistry, whereas RPSC grade 2 science has aspects of physics, chemistry as well as math, and uh, these all these topics will be taught to you in the same course. Okay, so this was all about our RPSC grade 1 school teacher and grade 2 school teacher courses. Grade 1 is for chemistry, grade 2 is for science. Okay, so enroll as early as you can. It is a 4-month course. Okay, it starts on 8th of November and the fees have been cut down to almost half. Okay, the actual fees were 19,999. We are offering this course at 11,000 rupees only. Okay, so make your payment as early as you can and register, enroll for this course and book your seat. RPSC grade 1 school teacher, grade 2 school teacher are government jobs and they present excellent opportunities for you in your careers. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope all of you have subscribed to this channel. If you have liked this video, please click the like button also and share the link of this video with all your friends so that even they know about this exam and this course that we are offering. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and until our next time, goodbye from me and happy learning.